Hi, I'm Lydia from Workflow Magic. If you're using Monday CRM and struggle to keep up with client communication, this new feature is a game changer. Let me show you how to use AI summaries inside the emails and activities timeline. So we are in the leads board, following up with a potential client. We open the item, we can see all logged emails, call notes, and meetings inside the emails and activities tab. If you're short on time and need a quick recap of everything, just hit the AI summary button. Monday will scan all logged communication and generate a clean summary for you in seconds. You can either copy and paste it somewhere or add to the timeline to store it directly on the item. Once added, the summary becomes visible to all board members, so keep this in mind. It may include private information. But it gets even better. The AI summary now has advanced breakdowns, including participants, deal status, and full communication history. There are tabs for key details like needs, proposed solutions, objections, and challenges. You also get a clear next step tab showing the owner of each action, what's needed to happen, and when. To make the most of this feature, make sure your email is integrated and that your team is logging all client interactions here. This keeps your CRM clean, collaborative, and easy to act on. If you find this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Monday.com tips. And if you want help optimizing your CRM or building smart workflows like this, book a free discovery call with me today.